Hello students, today we are here with our worksheet number 46 from the Directorate of Education, class 10 subject science. So today we discuss about the modern periodic table. Who is the father of modern periodic table, student? Henry Moseley. So father of the periodic table is Henry Moseley, who gives us the modern periodic table. On the left hand side you can see the modern periodic table. In this table you can observe in the starting all metals are arranged, and in the blue color all are the semi metals like metalloids, and in the sky blue color all the non metals are here in the table, student. Okay, now what is about the Henry Moseley plan? Earlier scientists assumed that the properties of elements are the periodic function of their atomic masses. Students will learn about the Daubeney triad, Mendeleev, and about the Newland law of active. All the three scientists' principle based upon the atomic masses, they arrange the elements according to the increasing number of atomic mass. But why the Mendeleev periodic table rejected, student? There are some reasons. What are the reasons? First, Mendeleev placed the known elements only 63 elements. Second one, it could not explain the position of certain elements and isotopes. So these are the drawbacks of the Mendeleev, and to remove these drawbacks, a scientist named Henry Moseley in 1913 remove all the defects and give a modern periodic law. And what is the modern periodic law, students? The properties of the elements are the periodic function of their atomic number. This is the law of modern periodic table. Atomic number. Why he chose atomic number? Because atomic number gives us the number of protons, student, in the nucleus, and this number increases by going one element to the next. Okay, so it is very important table. Now let's move to its exercise. Who discovered modern periodic table? So this is the answer of your first question, student, Henry Moseley. Second, write the modern periodic table. This is the answer of your second question. Modern periodic table take care of three limitations. What are the three limitations? This is the answer of your third question, student. Comment on the position of isotope in the modern periodic table. So Henry Moseley provide a fixed position for the isotope in its modern periodic table. And how are the position of cobalt and nickel resolved here? He placed cobalt and nickel in the increasing order of their atomic masses. See there, atomic number. So this is the answer of your fourth B. And student, please do the practice from NCERT book for this periodic table. You have to learn this table from the NCERT book and practice, student, along the periods and the groups which we discussed in our next worksheet, in the worksheet number 47. And please focus on all the periodic tables and the effort of all scientists. We call the efforts of all scientists, Daubeney, Newland, Mendeleev, and the Henry Moseley. Modern periodic table is very important, student, from exam point of view. Mendeleev limitation and achievements are also most important. So if you like that worksheet, today is the introductory worksheet, only the introduction of modern periodic table. You have to learn it, and if you like that, please share and subscribe our channel Learning Light to get the more notification and updates. Thanks beta, stay safe.